Good evening. Breaking news coming in at this hour. We begin with a major development. This is in massive news coming from Telangana. Let's break down the latest on July 2025. A 13-year-old class 8 school and statutory bodies like the Telangana State Women Commission are actively raising awareness and intervening in such cases. Child marriages in Telangana are often driven by socio-economic stress, parental insecurity over dowry, or lack of awareness. Even urban and semi-urban regions report such cases, social customs and misconceptions about appropriate marriage timing. In Mumbai, girl rescue returns to school. A 13-year-old from Kurla was saved in 2024 from a forced marriage arranged in Andhra Pradesh. With NGO intervention and police action, she resumed schooling in Mumbai this July and aspired to become a doctor.
Okay.
Because if people are educated, they'll let other people's law, the children, daughter to get educated.
Okay.
This is my opinion. Lack of education.
ಮೈನರ್ಗಳ ಮದುವೆ ಆಗೋದನ್ನು ಕಾನೂನಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿ ಅವಕಾಶ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಮೈನರ್ಗಳನ್ನ ಮದುವೆ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಕಾನೂನು ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಇಲ್ಲ.
Okay.
ಏನಿದ್ರು ಅಟ್ ದಿ ಏಜ್ ಆಫ್ 18 ಬಾಯ್ಸ್ 21 ಗರ್ಲ್ಸ್ ಬಂದು 18 ಇಯರ್ಸ್
Okay.
ಆವಾಗ ಮದುವೆ ಮಾಡೋ ಒಂದು ಏಜ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ.
Child marriage still happens in India due to poverty, lack of education, or
ಶಿಕ್ಷಣದ ಕೊರತೆ
ಹೌದು.
ಅದರಿಂದ ಅಪ್ಪ ಅಮ್ಮ ಅವರು ಪೂರಾಗಿರ್ತಾರೆ,
Okay.
ಬಡತನ. ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಏನಂದರೆ ಹೆಣ್ಮಕ್ಳನ್ನ ಮದುವೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಕಳಿಸ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರ ಜವಾಬ್ದಾರಿ ಮುಗೀತು ಅಂದ್ಕೊತಾರೆ ಕೆಲವೊಬ್ರು.
Okay.
ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್ ಇಸ್ ಮೇನ್. ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಇವಾಗ ಒಂದು ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಮಗುನ ಇನ್ಯಾರೋ 35 ವರ್ಷದ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ ಜೊತೆ ಒಂದು 10-15 ವರ್ಷ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಮದುವೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಕಳಿಸ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂದರೆ
ಹೌದು.
ಅವ್ರಿಗೂ ಜೀವನ ಮಾಡೋದು ಕಷ್ಟ. ಮೋರವರ್ ಅದು ಅಪರಾಧ, ಕಾನೂನಲ್ಲಿ ಅದು ಅಪರಾಧ. ಅದು ಅಪರಾಧ ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಯಾರಾದರೂ ಅದನ್ನು ಚಾಲೆಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಆ ಮಗುನ.
Even if you have a salary of 1 lakh rupees, why can't you live in Europe? The house rent is more than that. Do you earn 1 lakh rupees a month and want to settle down in any European country for a few years? If you are thinking of traveling around the neighboring countries, gaining new experience and living comfortably, wait a minute, after you see this story, make the next decision. Because in many European countries, the rent for a one-bedroom house is more than 1 lakh rupees. How much money do you need to earn to live a normal life here? Do you need to save money? Indian techie says he earns rupees 11 crore per year, but it's hell in America. What should he do next? A salary of 11 crore rupees per year, a life with the best facility in America, working in a big tech company like Facebook and Google. After hearing all this, anyone would think, what a life, is not it. But despite all this, an Indian origin techie has said, my life is hell, I can't see a way forward. A generous salary, a house to live in, enough money to live a good life. Why has life become hell despite all this? It seems surprising, doesn't it? So, what is this story of hell? Why is the condition of Indians who chase the American dream like this? Here is a report on why he might be unhappy despite high salary, work-life imbalance, long hours, high pressures, and always on work culture in US tech firms can lead to burnout. Isolation and cultural disconnect. Many NRIs face loneliness, cultural distance, or discrimination despite their success. Cost of living plus visa pressure. Even with high income taxes, healthcare, housing costs, immigration issues like H-1B or green card wait times create stress. No real life outside work, earning crores but no time for family, friendship or mental peace. Cost of living versus salary. Indian engineering earning around 1.6 crore a year in the US. Example at Google in New York still face extremely high living costs. Rent alone can be $3,000 a month, 2.5 lakh. To tell a monthly expense easily exceed $5,000 to 4.3 lakhs. After factoring in taxes, healthcare, insurance, many find they are left with far less discretionary income than expected. That wraps up this hour update. Join us again for the next bulletin. Stay with us throughout the day for continuous coverage. Keep following us for verified information and live coverage. Thank you for watching.